Hey everyone and welcome. This is Steve from OpenBOM, and I'm really excited to bring you the September 2020 release of OpenBOM for Fusion. There's a lot of new stuff here, and the most exciting thing is our one-click bill of material process has come to this release, so you're really going to be excited about that. I've got a couple of designs open. I want to show you, I want to demonstrate some of the features. I've got a couple of fuel filters. I've got this design in Fusion, which is kind of unique, and this one here, which is different. They all have different parts, except they both share this guy right here, that fuel filter element. So let's get started. Let's just start with, after signing in, you're going to see a little bit of a different settings dialog. This video is not meant to be a deep dive, but just kind of a little bit of a tour. There's a new setting here called Default Catalog. That's where we're going to store parts and assemblies, what we call items. We're going to store those in OpenBOM. That's going to really enable use and reuse in your Fusion BOMs. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we do, I want to use another feature of OpenBOM called Mark as Purchased. And I'm going to do that in each one of these common fuel filters, because this filter actually is an assembly in Fusion, and I don't want all those O-rings and all that other business kind of coming into my BOM. So I'm going to mark both of those as purchased assemblies, and I'm going to pick one of them and build a bill of material. The other thing I want to point out here is we're no longer going to use the catalog command. The multi-level bill of material or any of the BOM buttons automatically generate catalogs for you, and you'll see what I mean here in just a minute. So I get a new screen. I'd like to encourage you to read what's going to happen, and we're going to build that BOM in OpenBOM. So as before, we fall through the structure, pick up all the bits and pieces. We're going to ignore the structure for this fuel filter element down here. So we built this nice bill of materials. Something you see that's different is that these properties across the top here have some brackets around them, and that indicates that they're coming from a catalog. Okay, that's all we need to know right now. Let's focus on fuel filter element V4. Great. Let's jump over to our other one, a completely different design in Fusion. They happen to share this fuel filter element. Let's go ahead and build a bill of material for this one. Okay, we're going to build another multi-level BOM with the previews and everything. All different parts, of course, except that common fuel filter element. And once again, we're going to see our bill of material comes in. This one has a little different structure, so I'm going to go ahead and expand my multi-level structure, and I'm going to find that fuel filter element V4 is down here. And what we're going to notice is that there's a column here called cost. Cost is coming from our catalog, and I want you to notice that the cost for that fuel filter element is $1.66. That's the same cost that we see when we're looking at the fuel filter element in our other one. Here it is. We see that the cost for that guy is $1.66. Okay. Those are two different designs. They're going to be managed as two different BOMs in OpenBOM. So now is where the single one-click catalog creation really gets cool. This catalog of all the parts was generated for us automatically by OpenBOM. It kind of sits in the background. It's called Fusion360 items. And watch this. I just got a great buy on those filters. They went down to $1.44, and I change it here in my catalog, and I look back at my BOMs, and here it is in fuel filter 1, changed to $1.44, and as you can expect in the other design in fuel filter 2, we're also going to see that common part changed to $1.44. So the power behind this one-click catalog BOM generation is that we create that common set of items that's very easy to use and reuse. So anyway, there's a number of other really nice features in this release. I want to point out that in the UI now, you are going to simply click on Create Multi-Level BOM or one of the other BOMs that you prefer, and you're going to get that BOM catalog combination all ready to go. So I hope you enjoy that. Look forward to hearing from you at support@openbom.com.